Hey everyone, it's Mark with RamRebelMods.com. Today we're going to be talking about aftermarket leveling links. So I've replaced mine already, and I'm going to show you how I did it. And I haven't completed it yet, so we'll see what the outcome is when we're done. So before we get started, I'll take you over here and show you these are the factory links right here that I've taken off my truck already. I want to thank Mike Bitt for sending me these links to test out on my truck, the Rebel, and to bring this video to y'all. So this is what Mike sends with his links. This is the warning, or the warning he sends with it, so you guys can pause this video and read it if you'd like. But that's it right here. So right now we're going to take some measurements of what the Rebel is at in the rear and the front before and after the links. Okay, so right now you can see that we're right about 39 inches here on the back. Okay, and on the front we are at we'll say it's 37 1/4, okay? Give or take a little bit. 37 1/4. Yeah. Give or take, maybe a little more. So anyway, what we're going to do is you have to do one step inside the truck before you do these do the links. So I'm going to get in here and we'll start this up. I can tell the truck's leveling already. Or no, it's not. No, it's not. I lied. Anyway, if you go to your Uconnect, go to Settings, and scroll down until you find Suspension. You want to make sure that you check the tire jack mode so it does not try to level while you're putting these links on. So I put the links on, so I'm done. So I'm going to uncheck this, and now the truck's leveling. I can see it. I probably don't know if you can see it or not. Probably not. It's kind of going up and down a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to shut this off, head back out, and we're going to take another measurement. So the back shouldn't really leveled any. Or too much, I wouldn't think. See, we're 39 and a half in the back. And now in the front we are at 37 3/4. I bet, however, that if I drive this around a little bit, that will change. So we may do that here in just a second. Or if not, I will definitely put it down in the comments what it changed to after I drive it. But I will put a link, like I always do, to the links in the comment section. Again, thanks Mike Bitt for sending me these. Quality work, brother. But anyway, how I took my factory links off was pretty easy. Right there on the top, right here, I just got a screwdriver and pried that off, and it popped right off. It's no big deal. But what you want to be careful of, if you can see, I'm sorry, this is shaking all around. If you can see this right here, this arm, this is pretty delicate, so be very careful. You do not want to break this right here. So after you take the top off, this will all swing down and be perpendicular to the ground. And so what I did was, this would be perpendicular. This would be straight in line with this, and I just pulled up easily while holding this up tight against what it's attached to right here, and pulled up on it until it snapped off. Just like I said, be very careful. Do not break this. After that, I let these soak in some hot water for, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe. I didn't do boiling water or anything like that. But the easiest thing to do for me, I found, was I got some channel locks on the bottom and just pinched it together so it would go on, snap in, and on top I just put it up there and used those same channel locks and hit the head of it, and it popped right on. So there's the large hole goes in the bottom, the small hole goes on top. It took me 10 minutes to do it. Not a big deal at all. I'm going to sign off now. Don't forget to like my channel. Any comments are appreciated. I'll try to get those, answer them as quick as I can. Subscribe. I'm making new videos all the time. So I will definitely take this out and drive it around a little bit. And down in the comments, I'll put what the new leveling numbers are. But you guys have a good day, and we will see you next time.